Hi, this is John. I have been using Apple AirPods first generation for almost 3 years. I liked it very much because it is so portable. It is very useful when you watch a movie, work out in the gym, or participate in a teleconference. I was very excited when I heard Apple released AirPods Pro, but I decided to buy one online to save some monies because after taxes it's almost about $300. However, I ended up buying two counterparts. Though I got full refund for those counterparts, I decided to buy authentic one from Costco after discount. Today I'm going to share you some practical tips between a replicate and an authentic one before you meet a seller physically or buy online. For replicates, the sound quality is average and it does not come with active noise cancellation. Although Find My AirPod is still working, which is a surprise to me. Always check the series number before meeting a seller. And in general, sellers would post pictures about the items to sell. If you see this side of the box, congratulations, you have something to tell. The top box is from the authentic AirPod Pro. Looking at the left label, it contains Japanese. On the right label, there is nothing below the barcode. So if you see Cork, Ireland, it could be a replicate as what I bought. The second one you need to check is the shape of joint in the charging case. The right AirPods Pro is the authentic one. You can see it's like a triangle, but the other two on the left side shows as rectangle. As I said before, the replicate does not come with noise cancellation function. So if you check the black areas on the headphone, you will notice for the counterpart, it's basically like a piece of black paper. The right one on the picture is an authentic one. It comes with a black screen structure. If a seller posts ear tips pictures, that will be great. The right one on this picture is an authentic one. You can see from the case box, it has a donut shape. In addition, the hole in the ear tip from the authentic one is oval, while in the replicate, the hole is a circle. A seller typically does not post pictures by pulling the ear tips from the AirPods, but if he does, then that's a great indication to tell the difference. The right one is authentic one. It comes with a very large oval black shape, while the other two replicate comes with a small white circular shape. Now you learned all the practical tips to avoid buying a fake AirPods Pro online. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time.